Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your sticker paper matches your printer, inkjet versus laser, because heat and toner behave differently. Once done, load a test sheet and tape it to stay flat so alignment is predictable. Prepare the design at 300 dpi and include bleed. This prevents white edges when cutting. You should also set printer paper type to photo or label depending on settings, and do a quick low-ink test print to verify color. And you now print with the highest practical quality and confirm the feed orientation so designs won't mirror or shift. Once printed, let the ink dry for 10 to 15 minutes. If you're impatient, use a hair dryer on low and keep it moving to avoid warping. After drying, protect stickers with a clear laminate sheet or a spray fixative. Always test a small corner to ensure no smudging. Make sure to trim precisely using a ruler and sharp blade for crisp edges. You finish by cutting carefully, either with a craft knife on a cutting mat or a die cutter for lots of copies, keeping strokes steady for clean edges. Once cut, peel the backing slowly and position the sticker. Press from the center outward to expel air and secure adhesion. If bubbles appear, lift and reapply or smooth them out with a credit card. If adhesion is weak, briefly warm the sticker with a hair dryer to reactivate adhesive. This often resolves lifting or edge failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.